Hi guys, welcome to Morning Line. In today's video, we have a total of 170 odds or more depending on your bookie. And the market option we are giving out today is halftime, full time. So our first game today is in Ireland Premier League where Dundalk FC is taking on University College Dublin. And our prediction is X over 1. That is, the match will play halftime draw. Then home team being Dundalk will win at full time. This is the option for those that don't know what it means. This is the option draw over home. So that gives you 3.63 odds. Then we move on to our number two game for today. Number two game for today, which is in Finland Coconut Group A. And then we have a team called PK Keski versus PK35 Helsinki, and the prediction is X over 2. That is draw over away. Draw over away. Then that is 4.74 odds. That is X over 2 or draw over away, anyhow you want to call it. So that is our number two game for today. Then our number three game today is in Egypt Premier League where Zamalek is taking on Al Ittihad, and our prediction is X over 1, meaning they play first half draw, then the home team being Zamalek will win the match at full time, which is this. And then the odd is 4.18 odd. For those people that say I should make a video on how to predict halftime, full time, that video will come in a few days. It will be in parts, that is in a series, because when you check halftime, full time, it has a total of 9 options. So each of these options will carry one video each, so it will come in either 9 series or 6 series. It's a very long video, so I'm trying hard to put some resources together so that this video will come out fantastic. So stay tuned. That will come very soon. Within this week I will make that video, and I'll also make how to predict correct score video. So check this up, this channel. Within the week you see it, so you guys can play this today's game single. You can also accumulate it, but I would prefer single because it carry big odds. So that is it. The first game is in Ireland Premier League where Dundalk is taking on University College Dublin, and the option is draw over home. That is X over 1. Then the second game is in Finland Coconut League where Keski is taking on PK35 Helsinki, and the option is draw over away or X over 2. Then the third game is in Egypt Premier League where Zamalek is taking on Al Ittihad, and the option is draw over home or X over 1. A total of 71 odds. You can play single. You can also stake accumulation, but it's up to you. One game supposed to make it 150 odd, but that game they don't have that option of halftime, full time. That is has to be this as 71 odds. So sorry about that. And tomorrow or look for other games that will at least give us over 200 odds. So stay tuned in this channel. Thank you. If you are new, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you get notification when we drop new videos. It's very important to like this video. Thank you and God bless you. So that is the code for this game if you are using Sporty, and if you are not in Nigeria, you can change your country to Nigeria before you load this code. So that's all.